So you can tell ChatGPT to make you some C++ code, and then you can tell it to not use any external libraries, and you get some code, and it's pretty good. And if you want to use external libraries, you can even run it and then try using the cmake and have it work like that. So you just do a couple things and it works real well. But how do you make it from scratch? I'm going to make a basic hello world file, and I'm going to automate it with some cmake. And then I'm going to add some little extra stuff using more than one file at the same time, and have cmake compile that as well. A new folder for this project and a new file called main.cpp. This is a basic C++ hello world style file. And I'm going to compile it, and it's going to be put in the app file as an executable. Now to make cmake work, you got to use cmake lists with an s. .txt. And I put my main.cpp in a source file, and here's a simple cmake list file that will work with what we have so far. And here's the steps to use cmake. First, you make a build folder, and then you run cmake with the parent folder, and then you run make. And because we added add executable brain, the executable is called brain. Now to make a new file, I'm going to make a header file, a node.h file, and this is going to have the structure of the node file. There are a couple errors on this page, so it's not perfect. Then on the node cpp file, it's just going to have include node.h in there. Now to change something on the main.cpp, we're just going to add include node.cpp as well as use the structure in there. So we're going to use the node and just change the value v to 2.0, as well as printing that out. Because I changed the cmake, I'm going to run cmake and the parent folder and try it again. And so we ran into some errors, so we're just going to gloss over that real quick. And if you want it to look real nice, always remember to put that new line character at the end of your lines, so that way it doesn't look like it's all a jumbled mess.